Imagine worshiping your partner on a pedestal one moment and then feeling completely disconnected in the bedroom the next. Does this sound familiar? That's the Madonna Complex at work, and it's probably quietly sabotaging your relationship. I've seen it happen with countless men. If you're here because your intimacy feels off balance, stick around. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco, sex therapist, and we're diving into what really is going on with the Madonna Complex. So what exactly is the Madonna Complex that's messing with your head? Let's break it down. The Madonna Complex isn't some abstract theory. It's a real psychological pattern where men view women through a split lens, as either angelic or pure, the Madonna, or as sexual and desirable, yet not in the same person. Rooted back to Freudian ideas or further, it stems from early experiences where maternal figures are idealized as untouchable, creating the internal divide. For men, that might show up like this. You adore your wife's nurturing side, her as a mom, a caregiver, but when it comes to raw intimacy, that spark fizzles because you've unconsciously boxed her into the pure category. You make her family instead of a partner. So we're wiring this idea that mothers don't embrace their sensual side. Think about it. Society bombards us with messages that separate virtue from desire. As a sex therapist with over a decade in the trenches with couples, I've seen this fracture trust and passion time and time again. But recognizing it is your first power move towards reclaiming a more integrated bond. Often this complex sneaks into your daily life and relationships because awareness alone isn't enough. You need to see the ripple effects. You know, the impacts. Sometimes these things are devastating. Men with this complex face erectile challenges, emotional distance, or even infidelity as they seek the forbidden passion elsewhere, leaving passionate couples feeling like strangers under one roof. Sometimes trauma plays a role here. Unresolved wounds from past rejections can amplify the divide, turning what you could use into explosive intimacy into a frustrating standoff. This is absolutely possible to heal. The longer you've been in the relationship, the longer it takes to change things though. So remember that. We've covered the what, the why, and the how. Let's wrap this up with action you can take today. Remember, identifying and understanding the complex is your gateway to the relationship you deserve with your partner, one that's balanced, electric, and real. Start challenging those ingrained beliefs. Journal your views on women. Talk to a therapist about what it means to blend respect with desire. In my practice, we use trauma-informed techniques like sensate focus exercises to help you rewire, and it helps men integrate both desires into deeper connection. If you have any comments about what this could mean, or if you've ever noticed it before, I'd love to hear your experience. These changes don't happen overnight, but it's absolutely possible when you commit. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell. For more insight, check out the self-help video Connect. It is packed with practical guides to bridge the emotional gap. See you next week.